Daniel 8:19, di ba? Yan ang sabi diyan, I will let you know what shall be the last end of the indignation, for the time appointed, the end shall be. So dito sa dynamics na movement na ito, dito magtapos ang story of redemption. Sa ganitong movement, kapatid. Kasi sa movement na ating tatalakayin ngayon, ito rin ang magpaliwanag ng three angels' messages. Ito rin ang magliwanag para sa the whole book of Revelation. Kaya sinabi ni Joe White, study the book of Revelation in connection with Daniel. So that must be a whole package relationship. So dito natin maintindihan, kapatid, na pag sinabing I will let you know, makikita mo ba yung I will let you know? So ano yun? Ano yung ipaalam ni Kristo na sinabi niya kay Daniel na tatayo ito sa ating panahon, sa ating generation? Kasi siya nagsabi, thou shall rest, Daniel, but your light will stand at the end of the day. Ano yun? Yung prinsipyo at filosofiya na tumatakbo sa ating generation, piniscribe ni Kristo doon kay Daniel. Kung paano ang prinsipyo at filosofiyang ito na nag-intertwine, nag-generate, nag-engage ng political structures and all the social operations of the whole planet Earth. Take note that the language, social operations in the whole planet Earth. So ano yung operational principles? After these issues of fullness of the transgressions, yun ang timing ng paglabas niya. Sa gitna ng kadiliman ng kasamaan ng sanlibutan, dinescribe ni Kristo ang kanyang mga galaw, kapatid. He transformed as an angel of light. And I will be like the Most High. So, He shall destroy wonderfully. Ang destroy, kapatid, dapat ang partner niyan, terrible or destroy terribly. Pero dito, He shall destroy wonderfully. So, I will let you know to know where, to know who. Nabi diyan. What about His power? Verse 24, His power shall be mighty, but not by His arm. What about His planned actions? Verse 24, He shall destroy wonderfully. Yung word na wonderful, kapatid, it is only attributed, used to describe Christ. Pero dito ginamit sa Daniel 8:24. Then what shall be His mode or approach of destruction? Verse 25, through His papacy. Si Kristo ang nagsabi na ito ang last end. So ang gagawin ng letter horn, kasi specific na ng Bible, letter horn ang dominating power. Then what shall be His means of deception? Ginagawa na ma-deceive sila at ang deception na ito, yun ang kanilang patakbuhin. Verse 25, anong sinasabi doon? And through His policy, He shall cause craft. Sa anong paraan niya gawin ito? By what cause or movement na gagawin na ma-defile tayo? Simple. Sinabi ng Daniel 8:25, and by peace and by prosperity shall destroy many. Ikita nyo na ngayon kung ano yung pinaka-motivating principle na kumikilos ang lahat ng programa at mga proyekto ng buong mundo ngayon. So exactly in the Bible. Kaya pag binasa natin yung policy, ang word na Hebrew niyan, sikel. Understanding, wisdom, wise. Saan ba dyan yung negative na word? Saan dyan yung evil works, kapatid? Wala, kapatid. Si Jesus ang nagsabi, yun ang kanilang gagawin ng letter horn. So pagpuntahan naman natin ngayon ang Wikipedia, yung libreng encyclopedia, yung applicability ng policy stands by itself. Ano yun? Prinsipyo o mga pamaraan, rule, para i-guide ang ating desisyon at abutin ang makatarungang kaganapan. Achieve rational outcomes. So titingnan natin sa Microsoft Encarta sa inyong mga laptop. Ang meaning ng policy as a noun, as set of principles. Number 2 na definition niya, prudence. Yun din ang Hebrew meaning. So, Napakalinaw ito sa ating generation. So what shall be his mode? I will let you know. Tara, what shall be his mode? Tagot ni Kristo, through his policy. So pag bigyan natin ng conversation or dialogue between Christ and Daniel, right now, between the Holy Spirit and us, magtanong tayo, what will be the mode or approach of the little horn? Through his policy. What is this policy? Set of principles. Pero tingnan natin yung statement ni Ellen G. White. 1888 niya sinulat sa Great Controversy, page 444. Was not this the way things went with Rome? Are we not living the life over again? And what do we see just ahead? Another General Council, a World's Convention, Evangelical Alliance, and Universal Creed. Take note, my beloved friends, when the Roman Catholic Church called for a General Council, exclusive lang yan, hindi pwede yung mga ibang mga reliyon. Pero bakit minention Ellen G. White na ang kanilang General Council or World Convention magkaroon ng Evangelical Alliance? At sa council na ito, with the presence of the Evangelical Alliance, magkaroon ng Universal Creed. Ang creed, kapatid, sa Microsoft Encarta, Statement of Belief, a formal summary of principles of Christian faith. Ibig sabihin daw ng creed, set of principles. Ano yung set of principles? Policy. Ano yung set of principles? Creed. Sa Bible, policy ang word na ginamit. Sa Spirit of Prophecy na Ellen G. White, creed ang ginamit. Ang meaning, set of principles. So kung ito man ang fulfillment of the final segment of the final things, mga kaganapan na ating makikita. How close we are to meet Christ face to face. At the cross. Sipin mo, Daniel 8:25 yan. Tapos, great controversy. Napakatagal na ng Daniel, pero sa Daniel na yan, ang keyword lang natin dyan, na si Kristo, nagbigay ng mga indicators, last end, apocalyptic yan. Si Ellen G. White is an apocalyptic writer. Pero mga kapatid, yung council na ni-refer ni Ellen G. White na coming ay nangyari 1965. My friend. Ito ang council. Ito ang picture. Ito talaga yung picture ng kanilang council meeting. 3 years ito, kapatid. Nagsimula sa 1963, natapos ng 1965. We are talking about present realities. Truth is self-evident, my friend. Because right now, sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon, kayo na nakapanood ngayon, na kung hindi man kayo nag-drop lang dyan, you have to review this one. Kung ano ka ngayon, kung ano ako ngayon, kung ano tayo ngayon, politically at religiously, kung ano tayo, byproduct na lang tayo ng policy na nag-mold, nag-generate ng movement na kung ano tayo ngayon is exactly what Second Vatican Council has been doing. Sa Time Magazine ngayon, hindi naman natin pwedeng ipagkailan na yan ang katotohanan. The New Roman Time Magazine. Pagbasahin mo yan, hindi mo naintindihan na yung akdang panahon na babalik.
Buenos dias, hermanos, hermanas, friends. Good day to all our friends around the world.